We're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and exploring the question on everyone's minds. Will robots replace human jobs? With advancements in technology, AI is becoming more capable than ever before. But what does this mean for the future of work? As we move towards a more automated and connected world, the impact of artificial intelligence on the job market cannot be ignored. Many industries, from manufacturing to customer service, are already seeing significant changes. Automation is revolutionizing traditional production processes, with robots and AI-powered machines taking over repetitive tasks, improving efficiency. So, what jobs are at risk of being replaced by AI? Manufacturing has been one of the industries at the forefront of incorporating AI and automation. AI-powered machines and robots are being used for tasks such as product assembly, quality control, predictive maintenance, and supply chain optimization. Robots are being used to perform tasks that were once done by humans, such as assembling products, packing, and even driving. These machines are often more efficient, precise, and cost-effective, which raises concerns about the potential displacement of human workers. There is a growing fear that jobs that involve repetitive tasks may be automated. With advancements in machine learning and robotics, we're seeing robots that can perform complex tasks with minimal human intervention. These sophisticated robots are capable of learning from data, making decisions, adapting to changing environments, and performing tasks that require advanced skills and expertise. While this can increase productivity and reduce costs for businesses, it also raises questions about the future of human jobs in these industries. Customer service is another industry where AI is making significant strides. With the development of chatbots and virtual assistants, AI-powered systems are becoming increasingly capable of handling customer inquiries, resolving issues, and providing personalized experiences. Chatbots and virtual assistants are being used to handle customer inquiries, provide support, and even process orders. As AI continues to improve, it's possible that human customer service representatives may be replaced by these intelligent systems. As a customer service representative, I'm worried about the potential impact of AI on my job. The increasing capabilities of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants raise concerns about job security and the need to adapt to changing technological advancements. I've seen how chatbots are becoming more sophisticated, and I'm concerned that my role may become obsolete in the future. So, what are the pros and cons of AI replacing human jobs? On the positive side, AI and automation can increase productivity, reduce costs for businesses, and even eliminate dangerous or repetitive tasks for humans. However, on the negative side, there are concerns about job loss, economic inequality, and the need for retraining and reskilling programs for displaced workers. While there may be concerns about job loss due to AI, it's important to recognize that new opportunities may also arise. Retraining and reskilling programs can help workers transition to new roles that require human skills such as creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, which are not easily replaced by AI. As we can see, the rise of artificial intelligence is transforming the job market in significant ways. The adoption of AI and automation across various industries is changing the landscape of work, skill requirements, and employment opportunities. While there are potential benefits, there are also valid concerns about the displacement of human workers. As AI systems become more capable and automated, jobs that involve routine and repetitive tasks may be at risk of being replaced by machines. It's essential for us to understand the implications of AI and automation and prepare for the changing landscape of work. So, what can we do to adapt to this changing landscape? Here are a few key takeaways. Stay informed, stay updated with the latest developments in AI and automation to understand how it may impact your industry and job. Upskill and reskill. Invest in learning new skills that are less likely to be automated, such as critical thinking, problem solving, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Embrace technology. Instead of fearing AI, leverage it to enhance your productivity and efficiency in your current role. Embracing technology and incorporating AI into your work can offer numerous benefits. Adapt to new roles. Be open to exploring new roles and opportunities that may arise as a result of AI and automation. Advocate for policies. Advocate for policies that prioritize the ethical use of AI and consider the social and economic impact on workers. Remember, change is inevitable, and with the rise of AI, the job market will evolve. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Thank you for watching.